So I'm just about to go check these beehives. I'm up at the farm. I forgot my bloody GoPro. These bees are busy. I've only got my phone, so there probably won't be hardly any video. So it's really difficult with a phone. I'm just gonna have a look anyway, just to see what's going on. Inspection. So all these bees are doing really well. I've had to stick another super on that one, and I stick another super on the one down there. But they're on it. It's a few days of nice weather, and it soon changes a few things. But it's a good job we did put that sugar on top of all these, because they have caned it. There's not a trace of it. And now they're bringing in their own stuff. So I'll go down the bottom now and check them, because there is a hive down the bottom. I've got to combine it because they can't queen themselves. So but yeah, these are going to give it a week, 2 weeks, and there'll be a lot of honey about, I reckon. Whoever plays ball. So I'm just down at the bottom A3. It's a bit sad really, because I've had to stick trail cams up because someone's come down. Someone's coming from that way, which they left tracks, and basically I don't come in that way no more. But every time I come down, I have a little look along there, like just go to the end of the hives and have a look. And yeah, when I come down the other night with Owen, because we had to sort some bees out in a track up there for auction. Yeah, I'd noticed someone's walked in and walked out. So, God knows what they've been doing. But yeah, now perhaps we'll catch whoever it is on trail cam. On cam. I've set a couple up. I'm obviously not going to say where, but one's watching us right now. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to check these bees, and then that hive on the end I'm combined with the swarm that come in. These are busy, them ones up there are busy. You can just smell honey in the air. Smells good. They've all got a bit of room in the bottom. They've all got plenty of supers on with space, so. But obviously you still got to keep on top of the swarms, checking for swarming. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Newspaper combine that hive, because I can see from here, unless the swarms moved in there. Well, there is bee activity, but not like the rest. So they've still got a problem. So that's what's going to happen. They'll get combined. I'm standing here without a mask on, which down here is not normally what you'd do without your hood on. So these bees can be a bit aggressive. Yeah, going for it. I wonder how long till they notice me without a mask on and start nailing me. These ones are the ones that got me the other day. So I've had 2 stings this season now, both on the same leg. It's a beautiful day today, super hot. But yeah, I'll get on with that. So I've got to go deer farm, check them. Right, so we combined them together, so that'll make one bigger hive now. I've got the aircon on in the Panda because it is cooking today. It's a lovely, beautiful day. We're going jungle. Look, we're going for a jungle. I can actually see the track. I'm not sure where it is. It's there. I can cross that track, even though it's massive dips. Hey, look at all the pigeons. Scaredy pigeons. Yeah, we're in the jungle. But yeah, I combine them, they're all good. If this weather stays like this for a couple of weeks, there'll be a bit of should be some honey. They're starting to bring in honey, so say how I've had to put supers on these ones down on the trailer. You can see how crossed, look. Nearly got stuck. And there. Some big dips. But yeah, I'll put some honey on a couple, not honey on a couple, supers on a couple. So they've got supers on. The ones down the bottom are all supered ready. Scoop as a track. Oh, oh. We're in it. We're on it. We're over it halfway. Anyway, deer farm. Oh. Off to the deer farm. So I'm at the deer farm. There's some air traffic going in and out of there, look. Oh my goodness. They're on it. Like bees on a bonnet. Oh, this morning, quite funny this morning, I moved the swarm out of the garden in the van and I put them in these boxes. I made some boxes like probably a year ago, maybe a little bit more, maybe 2 years ago, and the lid on it had warped. And when I got up this morning, I locked them in last night. When I got up this morning, I went to it and there were some bees on the back of the lid, and I didn't think much of it. I thought perhaps they'd been out all night partying like bees do and come back in the morning. Well, anyway, I'll move the box and I'll put the box in the van to take it over to Corby. It's the bridal bees. Take them back over to Corby and put them in a hive over there. Well, put them in the back of the van, and I've got a curtain in the van. Like, it's just a blanket. I'll put up the curtains off the back, and I drive up and I need to go to the shop. Well, I get to the shop and then suddenly there's like about 20 bees come out through the curtain into the front of the van. So I get out anyway and go into the shop, get what I wanted and come back. And I let these bees out the car, out the front, and they all like, because I work far from home, so they'd all went back to like the garden and went into the Pinky's hive. But anyway, I got back in the van and carried on and drove over to Corby. By the time I got to Corby, I must have had about 200 bees in front of the car with me, just flying around. They weren't trying to sting me or anything. They were just floating around like, what's going on, what's going on? And I got there and I got the box like, and got out of the car, and they all just come out of the car with me with the box and just followed me to where the hive were. It's just, oh, it was a bit bizarre. It was a bit surreal. Yeah. But it didn't get stung. I had to get up early, which was a bit annoying because I wanted a lay-in. A bit tired at the minute. Yeah, anyway, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the number 2, that hive that's next to it, I'm gonna build that up and put them into that. And then the box next to that and the two number 2 boxes I need to take back to the garden, because I want to put the swarm that's took over pinkies in the yellow and the green box, and then move them out. And then I've got the other swarm obviously that needs to go into a different sort of box, and then I'll hang my swarm box back up on the shed and probably catch another swarm. Who knows? Still plenty of swarming to go. I'm going to have a quick look in some of these big hives, make sure that they're not thinking of swarming. But look at that, they are on it. And look, I ain't got no more supers. Well, I have actually, I've got some there, I've got 2 there. And then I've got a load at the house that I've made, but I need to paint them, put the handles on, and I've not got frames or wax for, so I need to get some of that. I need to melt all my wax and start making my own wax sheets again. And some candles. I need like more bees to help me. Like human bees. Worker bees. Because it's keeping me really busy like a bee. Yeah, let's have a look. So I'm having to do a split. I just like checking this one and I found swarm cells. I've got the queen over there and I'm going to do a split. These little bees. clean-up crew. So I've had to do a split. They're in the hive now. I've chucked in a frame as well with fresh brood just to see if, because I couldn't see no fresh eggs. Despite I'm unknown, and I'll give them the queen. I've done a split into the number 2. Yeah, the bees are strong, man. So Tripwire has had a split. 1 become 2. 2 trips. And there's queen trips over there. Yeah. So we need a stand for these. These are on it. We need a super for them. We need super. Yeah. Everything's good. A few days, good weather, and it sends it bee crazy. Hopefully they should be pulling a queen. If not, they can end up combined with them. We'll have another strong hive. They'll all sort themselves out. Bees will be bees. Anyway, yes, very good. So I need to up the swarm prevention again. It's probably going to be a case of splitting everything. Got a bee now, angry bee. Alright bee, I know I cause chaos. I'm sorry, but we can hear you swarming. Alright, stop headbutting me. I'm going now anyway. Bye bye. See you in the week. Stay safe.